Yeah, today we shall be exploring one of the most vibrant places in Nairobi. So where I'm headed to right now, as you can see, I'm going to a place called Gikomba. That is where we usually have some of these craft artisans. But they'll be making some trash bins for us. So I decided to carry my trash bin made from rattan on wood. So here I'm headed to Gikomba. So we usually use the bypass. This is now the bypass as you head to town. But the mode of transportation I'm using today is by an electric motorcycle. You can see how fast it is. It's a very, very cold day. So we shall be heading there shortly because we are not able to do those trash bins here in Karen. So we have to do it in town. So it's usually in main town, but it's around another 2 to 3 kilometers to access the area. So it was a very, very cold day, but you can at least for them in the meantime you can begin to enjoy the surrounding of this area. So now this is past Karen, but you're using the bypass like I said. So it will take around another 15 kilometers for us to be there. But the guy was fast. He was riding at around 60 kilometers per hour. Yeah, so I really enjoyed my time here. So the other side on the junction, you can see that's another route that goes to other areas. So what will happen is first we'll have to go to Gikomba market. I have to meet someone there. He's a guy who will be doing the refuse tins for us. One of the advantages of the refuse tin for the trash bin as compared to the disposable plastic bags is that you can really cut on costs, because if you use the normal bags, what usually happens is that you have to replace like after every 3 days. So when you're using the refuse tin, it's only a matter of washing, and then also we usually have it painted inside. So this guy advised me if I'm using if I want to paint it inside, I should not do hand. I should do the machine way of it. So he'll also be sourcing for us someone who can spray paint for the tin. So now we are past we are right now on Langata Road, as you can see. We are like almost 10 kilometers to the CBD, but we shall not use the CBD. We are going to use Nyayo Road. So now this is past Langata Road where we are. We are headed now straight to town. We are not very far from town. It will take us like around another 10 minutes. So the advantage why I like using one of the advantages why I like using motorcycle is that it is easier to penetrate. As you can see, there's some traffic. So finally we managed to reach the place.
So noisy.
Oh, you can see it's very, very noisy. So here is where all these craft artisans are. Like I remember when I was in school, my father used to bring me here to make these things. So enjoy the video.
I'll leave you with this, eh? I'll leave you with it, so that it becomes more accurate. Sindio? Yeah, so here is where all the metal work is done. And then you'll color for me. Paint.
We won't paint.
Eh?
We won't paint.
No, I need a good price, because it's for a hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, and I need a good job.
Okay. Next for today.
Today.
Yeah, but June.
What time?
Around 5:30 to 6.
8:30. Your name is?
5:30. My name is Anthony.
Anthony, yeah. So this will be the guy who's going to make for us the tin inside here. So what time? Around 6, eh?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. So how much is it going to cost?
It costs 2,000.
Aye, 2,000 is high, bwana.
2,000 is.
No, it's high considering. Considering I've already quoted for the bill, you know. Well, okay, what's the best price? A fair price.
Fair price. Let's do 1,700 so that you can bring the other. You can bring the other.
Okay. How much will you charge for quantity? 20 pieces.
Huh?
How much will you charge?
For what?
Okay, so you're saying 2,000.
Charge me 2,000, but since you bring more, I do 1,700.
Can you make it 1.5? I think 1.5 is fair. Have it 1.5 and I give you the whole order.
But for this sample, so that I can also see the amount.
Oh, the sample. Oh, yeah.
Just do 1,700. And then I'll tell you when you bring the other thing.
Okay, let's do this. Can you make it and then you drop it at Karen? We are located in Karen. Yeah.
I can drop it.
You can drop it, yeah? Yeah, that will be better. Okay, thank you so much. So you said your name is? Pleasure. So now we'll be bringing the wax here. Yeah. So let's see how it will come out. I'll share with you guys how it will come out in the evening. Hey, hello guys, this is Anthony. He has finally delivered to us the product that you wanted. This is, you said this is called zinc, eh?
Yeah, zinc aluminum.
Yeah, zinc aluminum. So how did you do it? You can do it.
So this is the container that we made. Place it inside there. So what we do is just joints.
Or the final product. But I think, what kind of technique do you call this? At least so that our viewers know. This is folding.
Yeah, this is folding.
Which metal is this?
Aluminium zinc.
Okay, I wanted to ask you, is it possible it can be painted? Because
the only way you can paint this is through super painting.
Also,
because normal paint it won't.
Or normal paint it will not come out properly.
It doesn't touch.
It doesn't touch well. So I was thinking, is it possible? I don't know if it's possible. You can go back with it, and then you have it painted.
I try to paint it for you.
Yeah.
Which color would you want?
I think black. No, or this color.
This color, then it will pop up myself. Paint it.
So which color is better?
Can I do research on it? Because normally this you don't paint this material.
Or you don't paint on this?
Because spray painting becomes quite costly. You have to take it to the person.
Or the person.
And then you can't just use any type of paint.
So I was thinking, because you're the expert, there was a time I bought. Sorry, there was a time I bought these things, and there was a challenge when it came to painting. So I was thinking, because you're the expert, it's better you go with it, and then you bring it back when it's painted. And then in the meantime, we can continue finishing this. Yeah. So maybe you can tell us by tomorrow what time to be ready. Or to clients. So you can go with it in the evening. Yeah? I can go with it. Sorry, you can go with it and then you come with it tomorrow. No problem. I really appreciate the good ones. Yeah, so it's called George. Anthony. Yeah. So it's the one who will be doing for us these are called refuse tins. These ones are very good for disposables, like when you put the dirt inside. And then another advantage with it is that it's more economical than using the bags, you know. It's more economical because bags you always have to change. But this one now you just remove the dirt and then you wash it. So thank you so much. So you go and
paint it.
paint it for me and then bring it tomorrow. I appreciate it.